What's up? What's going on? Good afternoon. Welcome to it, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, family and friends. It's another fresh episode of Teenagers on a Mission right here on SABC YouTube for sure. Hope you guys are ready for another fresh adventure into the world of life science and technology. Now it's going to be all about innovations, Lana Tolizindo, that are actually uplifting us and helping us to live in a better place.
Yes, so speaking of a better place, we are looking at a sustainable future.
Yeah.
Futhi inqubo yethu namhlanje is all about road and pavements, as we are driving into how these things can sustain our future.
Check this out.
TOMz. Experts are for a demonstration of the local innovations to see the value of testing. Roads demands of traffic and transport. Mission into the future for a glimpse into the incredible innovations to drive us road design or the development into a sustainable future. And once we're here, the big balls of brains, the TOMz quiz. Masambe.
So lifikile ke elo xesha where we head out to our social media pages sinibuza imibuzo yenqubo yethu namhlanje sibona ba nina nithini. Umbuzo ke uhamba kanjena, what role do roads and pavements play in society? Upalisa Mufukenge uthi lapho engihlala khona eLangaville kuhleli kunengozi zomgwaqo, and that's because we don't have roads and pavements. Imigwaqo idlala indima enkulu ekusindiseni izimpilo zabantu abahamba ngezinyawo, yikakhulukazi izingane zezikolo. Right, bekhona ke uThepang Mukwena yena uthi they help with reducing the amount of dust that will get stuck on you when you are walking okanye uhamba ngemoto. Hayi Thepang phethe aesthetics lanto. And uthi ke they can help a lot when it's raining because you can walk quickly and not get stuck in the mud, and same applies to imoto. Please keep those comments coming in. Betunana, we love them so much. Okay, let's go see what our friends Eskoloni have to say.
You know how it is in Dwana. We yet again on the road running the streets, and in Namhlanje is Freedom Park Secondary School. We're all about pavements and roads. So do they know what we are talking about? And right next to me is a young gentleman. So I'm shabanga questions one good talk on Gwapendul. Federal When come?
I want to come.
One day you inscribe.
That's grade 11.
Okay, so one day long funu kwazi intwana ne. Bangithi yini? Bangikhuluma nge-pavement ne-strati. Yini lento le?
Okay, so strati la khamba khona imoto nabantu, but la emaside in pavement la ivimba khona umgwaqo la uphela khona.
Yeah.
A pavement is whereby people used to walk through.
Yeah.
Yes.
And a road?
And a road is where you use cars transportations,
Okay.
some kind of thing.
Okay, why do we need a road and why do we need a pavement when we can just have gravel?
Oh, okay, we need a road so we can use it for easy transportation.
Yeah.
And then for a pavement, we need for people's safety so they can walk by, not to be hit by the car.
Okay.
I mean, I think like when the strata in the pavement, because a pavement to come abantu, and then a strata can be more.
No, mfethu kumele kube sibe ne-track so that imoto zethu kwazi ukuhamba flat nabantu bahambe flat. Then ama-pavement avikela ukuthi imoto engaphumeli emasayidini.
Yeah. Okay. Istrati ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi yenziwe ngani ne-pavement yenziwe ngani? Into eyi-one.
I've seen day one first.
Okay.
Okay, mfethu so into lo i-track ngasho ukuthi senziwe mixiwe izinto zakhona, then la emasayidini cement yakhona libekwe la masayidini.
Yeah.
Concrete, cement,
Yeah.
water.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Screw.
Aight, cool.
The long-lasting roads and pavement design with many special and optimized layers with the basis of its structure. The roads leading pavements here the foundation. This structure it is made up of a stabilised and unsterilized or subgrade sand gravel base. Modima foundation a fatigue resistant asphalt a mix of gravel composite bitumen. Layer to manage the strain pavement, cracking from the bottom up. A thick asphalt base layer distribution of loads, resistant of structural rutting. Finally, asphalt surface layer more demonstrata saruna surface customize to meet the variety of specific safety, loading and preservation needs. Surface layer for a smooth, safe and quiet ride. Surface an enduring structure to permanently keep the roads and lanes in place.
Well, on Chapter 5, we are rocking the roads of science and we're also exploring the pavements of technology. Thank you so much. Yes,
indlela zalapha eMzantsi Africa as well as the road systems are considered to be one of the best of the world.
Yeah.
So lonto ke ithetha ukuthi when it comes to science and technological innovation, we need to push those two frontiers in ensuring this national treasure allows us to have a sustainable future.
Definitely, Ndwana. Right about now, it's time for our exclusive interview, man. It could be your head boy, it could be your head girl. I mean, could be your friend. Hey, man, could be your neighbor. Let's go check it out. Good
Apha ke eMzantsi Africa kugcwele abantu abatsha that are doing innovative and creative things with technology and science. And namhlanje ke we're about to meet one of them. Hi, Butwa.
Hello.
Njani?
Ngikhona njani?
Nami ndiyaphila. Khonxoba bani igama lakho, ufunda phi, wenza ugrade bani, ufuna uba yintoni ngomdala?
Igama lami uSithobiso Mthweni, ngifunda eMzunza Mabhoko. Isikolo sami sisempumalanga, i-rural area Mloto. Mina ngiku grade 11 currently ngifuna once I'm done schooling I'm going to be a medical doctor.
Okay, khonxele ngeproject yakho ke. Yintoni i-problem yoyayibona emphakathini?
So i-problem engayibona emphakathini it's that plastic. The plastic we use every day is the plastic that harms us. So the problem is not only us, not are we the only ones who are harmed. Also, ilwane zethu they get killed because of the plastic.
So when I go wafumana a solution, khosixele ngayo.
So my solution yami ukuthi we can do it the easy way. We can just use the plastic to our advantage. So mina ngithethe le plastic and I used the plastic to make bricks.
Jung, I see the passion as you're talking about it, and I'm dedicated to learning more, and I'm self-motivating myself to see the actual project. So,
yeah, it's right with me.
Okay, let's see. So this is the Starlight Forgery Machine 1000, eh?
Yeah.
Okay,
so we have this thing, the plug, it is connected to our hot plate. Yeah. So the hot plate, it's for heating purposes, and then it will flow through this and enter this. So the first part, we put plastics inside here.
Okay.
So I have a sample of the bricks I've made. Though the shape is, but
this is so amazing.
As you can see here, we have two, you see they are different.
Okay.
So this one, it's for the bricks.
The solid one, eh?
Yeah, the ones I would like to use for pavement.
Okay.
And then this one, it's for building bricks. So that's why I put two. They are different, and then just fix it. So after singing up, we have this, the interesting part of it all, the fan. So yeah, the fan, it functions. It must cool it down, speed up the cooling. Once singing up, yongena, and then once it's inside here, then we do this, and then the fan starts functioning, and then our brick will come out well.
Nice stuff. Konige high five. I'm wishing you everything that you've ever wanted in your future. You are going far, Butwa. Hi, guys, you have seen for yourselves. These are scientists in the making. And who knows, you too could be here showing us your great invention.
Ka 6000 BC, the earliest records ya ditrata le di-parts ba kgone go ifumana ko Jericho nakong tsa pele. Ka 1901, Swiss doctor ba bitsang gore ke Ernest Gagliardi o ile a notsa gore surface roads e kgona go thusa ka lebaka la gore tshwanetse e coatiwe ka thata to solve the problem of traction ya dikoloi tse tsamayang mo strateng. Ka 1935, the National Roads Act ile ya phasisiwa mona mo Africa Borwa, which not only puts this country ahead of other Commonwealth countries, but it is to lay a cornerstone of the present vast network of high-standard national roads mona mo Mzansi.
Thank goodness for our highways and our roads. Okay, we're going to take a short ad break. So we are going to danga.
We are back on your screen. Such a look in supplement right here on your #1 channel, SABC One Mzansi for sure. Teenagers on a mission. We all about roads and pavements. And the manje, did you know?
Beniyazi ukuthi Australia's Highway 1 is 14,500 kilometers in length.
Yep.
40 besides the Australian Capital Territory, right? All the states are connected in Gale Highway.
Yes, so the first musical road Buffet together was created at Denmark by using Asphalt's iPhone. So lana Buffet by bigger in the interval, ama markers wakona. Kuthi bangabuya driver uyizwe ingoma noma phakathi kwemoto.
Yes, as long as the driver is adhering to the speed limit.
Yeah.
And there are many musical roads between in California, New Mexico, South Korea, and Japan.
So China Buffet has the world's longest highway. And again, as Kuluma, about 123,000 kilometers.
Aye, Chonga, we have walked a long way through these Did You Knows. Let us meet our expert who's going to tell us more about roads and pavements.
Let's go.
My name is Rufile Mokoena. I'm a civil engineer, and we are at the CSIR where we do road material testing in the lab. To put it simply, a road is a structure which is made up of different layers, which is basically made to protect the ground when there's road traffic. Pavement and roads are used to describe the same thing a lot of the time. Pavement, as most people know it, is the sidewalk where people walk, whereas in engineering, when we talk about pavements, we're talking about the road. Roads are important as a transport infrastructure. It provides the structure that we can use to get wherever we're going, to get to places. The base material for making roads, for constructing roads, is aggregates and soils. So it's important for us to be able to characterize that material, and one of the most basic tests that we do is to separate it into the different sizes. This is Richard, one of the lab technicians within the CSIR, and he will be assisting with the particle size analysis. So what the point of this test is to separate the aggregates into the different sizes. The first one is 20 mils, this is 14 mils, 10 mils, and so on until it gets smaller and smaller. It helps us to characterize the material, and it helps us, if we want a specific size to be used in the road, it helps us to be able to see which size and to be able to easily select which ones that we need. Some of the tests we do to check the strength of a concrete is, one of the tests is the flexural strength test, and the other test is the compression strength test. This machine tests the flexural strength of the concrete, and what that basically means is how far can the concrete bend. So here we just measure the maximum load, the maximum applied load to the specimen, to the beam, which is this concrete element over here, and we record the maximum force that the specimen can take. So now we're in the section of the lab where we characterize the individual aggregates to see the shape and the surface texture properties. This is Wonke, who's going to show us how to use the image analyzer. So this is the room where we test asphalt samples, asphalt being one of the surface materials for the road. Basically, asphalt is made from aggregates and bitumen, and then we mix that together and we get something called asphalt. This particular test is called the Hamburg machine, and what it does is it tests the behavior of asphalt when, especially under hot temperatures. Because when asphalt is exposed to hot temperature and the wheel load, it deforms in a way which we call rutting. This is a fresh specimen that you will put inside the Hamburg machine before it gets tested. And once the wheel load is applied, it comes out looking something like that, depending on the asphalt that was tested. And that is basically just the deformation of the asphalt after the wheel load is applied under hot temperatures.
According to the Guinness Book World of Records, the Pan American Highway is the longest drivable road at 30,000 kilometers. Lendlela spans across 14 different countries and climates.
Wow, I thought le yami izopithe yakho ne mara mamela ntwana again. So, i-Gate Tower building in Japan. Abayibiza nge-Fukushima Osaka, I hope I'm saying that correctly. So it has 16 floors, ne?
Yeah.
And kulama 16 floors, kune highway 8 double up from the 5th to the 7th floor. So in between the highway nje hamba lapha building.
No, yours definitely beats mine. Benyazi ukuthi in Germany it is illegal to run out of gas on the Autobahn highway.
Yo.
Listen to this. Because there are some sections below highway that have no speed limit. So I mean, duh. And if you do find yourself running out of gas, they can actually charge you $100.
Hey man, that's crazy. Right about now, what are we doing?
Taking a quick ad break. So Welkom terug, mensa. You are definitely tuned into Teenagers on a Mission here on SABC 1 Mzansi for sure. You see how I just came back to myself there? I just got so excited because we are on a road trip as we learn the science and technology behind indlela as well as pavements.
And the Teenagers on a Mission quiz games. Who will reign supreme and who's knowledgeable when it comes to roads and pavements? Let's go. Roads and Pavements is what we are talking about namhlanje bafethu, and we all the way at Freedom Park Secondary School so dlala nabangani bethu. Lukhumbulo bafethu ukuthi if you also want us to come to your school, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is drop us a DM on Facebook. On Facebook see TOMz and on Twitter see TOMz_SABC1. So this is how it works bafethu, ne? Namabhaza in front of you angisho. So what's going to happen is ngizonibuza a question, guys. Bese ngineza multiple choice from A to D, ne? After ngicela ukufika ku D ngamdlula, then you press the buzzer, ne? So Mamelani, if you press the buzzer and you get the answer wrong, ne? Ngibuza the other team, and if they get it right, they take your point. And guys, so make sure ukuthi banpressa, you know the answer, ne? Are you guys ready? Yeah. I'll sing one of you guys are ready. Give it up for the girls. Give it up for the gents. Okay, but so the girls and the boys are in the building as well. First question, please. Question Yoktala, its long-lasting roads and pavements are designed with many special and optimized A, cars, B, layers, C, street lamps, or D, pedestrians. Machita?
B.
You guys sure?
Yes.
Definitely B. Give it up for the Jets. Second question is the road of pavement rests on a foundation structure that is made out of stabilised or unsterilized subgrade, or A, water and rain base, B, a bitumen base, C, sand and gravel base, or D, road paint. Gents?
C.
What's it, sand and gravel base?
Yes.
C indeed! I'm so happy, guys. The girls are sitting on 0 points, and the gents are sitting on 2 points. Okay, my gents, now for a celebration, dab quickly. 1, 2, 3, dab. Bam! Moving on to our third question. On top of the foundation is a fatigue-resistant asphalt composed of a mix of gravel, composite, and bitumen. Is this true or false? It's in the answer.
A.
Are you guys sure?
Yes.
And A is definitely the correct answer. Give it up for the girls. The scoreboard says the girls are sitting on 1 point, and the gents are sitting on 2 points. All right. Question for Bafeta Manjana. The thick water-based layer is then added to help with the distribution of loads and the resistance of structural rutting. Is this true or false? Okay, girls, but in Pasekala, it's in answer.
It's A.
You guys sure?
Yes.
And A is definitely the correct answer. Give it up for the girls. Question 5 words, the surface layer provides A, a smooth ride, B, a safe ride, C, a quiet ride, or D, all of the above. Chance?
All of the above.
Give it up for the chance! Yo. The girls are sitting on 2 points. And the Jets are sitting on 3 points, making them our winners! Yeah, boy, the Jets win this round, my friends. So thank you so much for joining us in Duan and Kumuluguti. You can also play with us on social media. Give it up for the Jets. Congratulations. Until next time, we'll see you guys in studio. Adios. Amen. Congratulations to the winning team. You guys are bosses. And to Lababa Luzida, but next time you guys need to be fast. And man, and keep tuned to Teenagers on a Mission. It's always good to keep funny. But right about now, if you choose
Hey, because I really want to know. We've been on this trip, hey? You know, everybody on the passenger seat, on the passenger side, on the driver's seat, on the driver's side, wanting to know what the future holds, Masame.
That's right.
Self-healing asphalt, it's an electrically conductive material, SABC fibers, a closed circuit. An electrical current that is applied on an area, heat generating electricity, melting bitumen, the roads, the highways, the waste products, the industrial bright products,
Oh man, this is how we wrap it up, Betunan. I hope your guys' last 30 minutes have been a blast, because I know Mnano Kedi have had so much fun learning about Indlela, things that we know so much of already.
Definitely.
You know, just stepping out that knowledge, you know what I'm saying?
Advancing ourselves in Duan. And if you want to keep tabs on the show and find out what's going on and what we're all about and you want to learn more things, it's pretty simple. Vasheli website, it's www.sabceducation.co.za/TOMz.
And if there's anything that you guys want us to touch on or in any episode, please do let us know, Betunana. We are live and kicking on our social media pages. On Facebook, we're simply TOMz, and on Twitter, we are TOMz_ACBC_1. Bye.
Cheers.
Sheba felo re le tshwaretse mo lenaneong le latelang la TOMz. Hantlentle startup ke eng, ke business kapa ke monahano? Well, go ya ka di-experts tsa rona, it's a bit of both and a whole lot more. Scientifically technological innovation e bohlokwa haholo ka mara di-elements tsa a successful startup. Re tla ithuta ka a couple of ideas tse leng gore he di tshwana le sharing economy gore hantlentle e tsho ho reng ka mara sustainable disruptive. O se ka lebala o shebela TOMz ka laboneng la bohlano ke half past 2 mo SABC 1 Mzansi for show.